Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace windshield wipers in Lexus UX. First you'll have to enable the wiper service mode. To lift them up, press the power button twice, make sure that the ignition is on, then turn the power off, and now push this lever up, the windshield wiper lever, and you'll see that the windshield wipers are now up. And now let's go replace them. To replace the wiper blade, first lift the wiper arm up, and now you will have to use the key or any other tool to unlock it like this, and then all you have to do is push it down or pull it down. And after you remove the wiper blade, make sure to put the wiper arm on something soft on the glass. This way it won't accidentally fall and break the glass. When you are ready to install the new wiper blade, lift up the arm and make sure that the hook goes inside the wiper. Then push it up and lock. The passenger side is being done exactly the same. Unlock it, pull the wiper down, it will come off the arm. Use the rag, get your new wiper blade, and now you can install it. After you're done with the wiper replacement, you will have to deactivate the wiper service mode, turn the power on, put the vehicle into ignition on, and all you have to do is push the lever up once. The wipers are down and the procedure is complete. To replace the rear wiper, you first have to slide this cover out like this and then lift it up. This will allow you to raise the wiper arm, and now you have to twist the wiper like this, and it will allow you to take it off. Installation is being done in the reverse order of the removal. Install the new wiper and close this cover.